In this video, let's take a look at the Express Switcher. So here on the TriCaster interface, I'm going to click on the tab called Express, and notice that it switches to a single row of buttons. Now in this case, instead of selecting a preview and bringing to program, everything happens with a single button press. All you need to do is select the source you want and it will bring it to air. So let's say I want to bring input 3 to air. I just click on 3 and you can see it just fades right onto the screen. And if I go to 4, now 4 will fade on. If I want to bring myself, I'll hit 5 and now I fade onto the screen. Now over here on the right side is where you can choose what kind of transition you want. So you notice it's set to crossfade, but if I change this to cut, now every time I click a button, it's just going to do a cuts function to bring it to air. So in this case, you don't get to preview the shot necessarily like you do with the preview program workflow, but it does make it a simple one button type operation. Now there's one other way we can also accomplish the Express workflow, and that is by clicking on the video monitors at the top of the screen. Normally I have this disabled, but I will show you how you can enable it. Under the options menu, there is an option called click viewports to show on program. So if you turn this on, so there's a check mark next to it, now just by single clicking with the left mouse button on any of these video monitors, you'll bring that channel to air. So I could click on input 1 and you can see input 1 comes to air. Or if I click on 5, I come to air. Now again, these will use the same transition set up in the Express Switcher. So if I put it back on crossfade, you'll see that now it does transitions of a fade effect to bring that channel to air. So whether you want to use the strip at the bottom or turn on the click on viewports option, either of these will give you this Express Switcher simplified switching experience.